Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Restore to Explore, and today we are finally putting the Kingswood back together. So, if you have a quick look around the shed here, we've got parts all over the floor, we've got tables all set up, and it's time to finally start putting everything back together. So we're starting with all of the window regulators and the door locking mechanisms. All that stuff needs to go in first. We need to get all the doors lined up properly, so that's what we're starting with. I've already started on a couple so that I can figure out what I'm doing before I start making videos of me just scratching my head. So I've got figured out roughly what I need to do now, so let's jump straight into it. Let's get all these window regs and door locks put together. Alright, just swapping over the plastic for the warning lights. You can see this one here. Can't even see what's going on there. Got a brand new one here. We're going to chuck it onto the light module and we can put that back in the dash. And we'll be ready to put back in. Alright, so that's our freshly painted black slider. So where that goes, that pretty much sits there, but goes on the inside of the door, and it holds that quarter glass in place, and then the felt goes on the inside there, and then the window slides up and down on that. So this actually goes in last, so first I'm going to get the Bailey channel in here and in the door. Done. That's the last window in the car, obviously besides the windscreen. But that means we can finally tick our first item off the whiteboard. Door mechanisms, windows, and seals. Alright, next up, dash vent wiring and kick panels. Alright guys, so we got all of the window mechanisms, door locking mechanisms, chrome trimmings done, and I'm super happy with it. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn your notifications on, because next video, guys, we're going to be putting the dash back together. We're going to be putting the interior in. The interior for this car looks absolutely schmick. It all got re-trimmed a couple of years ago, and it's just been sitting in cardboard boxes, and I just opened them up now, and they look absolutely amazing. So, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.